What's up, guys? We're back again. Today we're gonna be slapping on this Cobb tuning engine coolant cover. We're just trying to dress up the engine a little bit, get rid of that clear plastic looking coolant tank. So let's get it unboxing this guy, and it shouldn't take about 5 minutes to throw it on there, and we'll go from there. That's her there. 10. Coolant cover. I'm gonna lie to you, I'm not exactly sure if it goes up under this or slides up under the coolant tank. That's the only way I can see it going on there is like that, so we're gonna go with that. There you have it. And you can't tell me up under here don't look better. Alright, we're back again with the next day. Well, not the next day, but a couple days later, the tailgate spoiler finally came in. So we're gonna open it up and see what we got. All right, this is a spoiler right here. It ain't really much to it. I mean, to me, honestly, it's kind of overpriced for what it is. But I mean, you got to pay to play. So, all right, guys, we just threw it on there to see what it looked like. And I must say, oh yeah, you can see a little bit hanging off the back.
It's a two-sided tape I've ever seen.
It is a pretty big piece. I ain't gonna lie, I was a little worried about the wing holding on with 3M tape, but with all that joker shouldn't go nowhere.
I mean, it's probably gonna hold on better than my hopes and dreams.
Mine too, mine too. So yeah, now we're about to try to attempt to put this guy on.
Inside the mark, not on it.
Inside.
Yeah.
All right, I'm kind of. Feel like I'm way up. Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Bird is one, son.
Yeah, I think that's it there.
Good?
Yep.
Hello. I really like the way this looks. I don't like other people always want a whole bunch of this, a whole bunch of this. Little subtle stuff is what I like.
That little wing. That don't look too bad. Let's get a side shot.
Hey, that makes the gasket sit better.
Yeah, it does.